Bonjour, welcome to Easy French Cooking. How about we learn how to prepare a tasty, quick and easy chicken recipe? My name is Victor and today we're going to cook Flambéed chicken breast or poitrine de poulet flambé. The flambé has a bit of fun, so it's very exciting. Let's go! Okay, ingredients. All you need for this recipe for 4 people is 3 or 4 nice chicken breasts, a couple of shallots, 125 grams of mushrooms, button mushrooms, chestnut mushrooms, any kind of good mushrooms that you like. A nice big tomato, a lemon, you'll be using half of it, and then a few aromatic herbs, thyme, parsley, bay leaf, then some butter, and a small liquor glass of cognac for the flambe. And of course, some salt and pepper for seasoning. Now the gear. As usual, only a few really basic utensils for this. 2 chopping boards, 1 for the meat, 1 for the vegetables. If you only have one, make sure you wash it well after cutting the chicken, as you should always keep raw meat separate from other foods. 2 sharp knives, 1 for the chicken and 1 for the vegetables. Again, if you only have one good knife, just wash it after cutting the chicken. A butter knife, a big saucepan or pot with a lid, a small saucepan, a frying pan, a sieve, a small liquor glass for the cognac, some matches for the flambe, and that's it! For some awesome kitchenware and knives, check out the link in the description below. First, cut the chicken breast into smaller pieces, just like this. And then the same with the other ones. Turn the heat on. 30 grams of butter into the frying pan and melt it. There you go. Now add all the chicken pieces into the frying pan. As you can see now, they are turning golden brown, and when they all have this nice color, we're going to transfer them into the big saucepan. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of butter into the big saucepan, and then we're putting all our chicken pieces into it, just like this. Nice and golden brown now. Boil some water in a small saucepan. Just add the tomato and then leave it there for 1 minute. Peel and chop the shallots. Peel and chop the tomato. Hot. Rinse the mushrooms under cold water. Slice the mushrooms. And then I'm going to squeeze half a lemon over there. Now add the shallots into the saucepan. Add the cognac. Turn the heat up. Light the match. Yes! Woo! Once the flames have gone, turn the heat down to low. Add the tomato, the mushrooms, thyme, the bay leaf, season with salt, and pepper, and cover and leave for 25 minutes. In the meantime, chop some parsley. Chop, 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 chop. Okay, what have we got here? Ta-da! Woohoo! Great! Now you can serve it. Add some parsley on top. Et voilà! A great and quick way to prepare chicken breast with awesome flavors. Oh yes. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will go and try this easy and awesome chicken recipe. Please click on the like button, leave a comment and let me know how you like it. If you would like, we have more cool recipes for all occasions. So, to keep on developing your skills in homemade French cooking, just hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. Also, look at the description below and click on the links for good quality meat and grocery services. À bientôt!